Hi, Trout. Hi, Crab. Hi. Hi, Buckley. Hey, Lil. Hi, William. Hey, Helen. Whenever you see those green balls, that means it's an Oakway subway station. Oh, here comes the train. Run, 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 run. Hi, Lo. Woo. Allez vite. Hi, Angel. Hey, Keith.
You're right here. Quite close.
Hi, Didi. Hola. Ooh, just in time. I literally jumped this turnstile. Left his umbrella. Maybe he didn't jump the turnstile. I shouldn't say that. I didn't see it. I just saw him drop something on the other side. Anyway, this will probably cut out, but it's too cold to walk home. Hi, Angel. I'm good. I just got out of work. I got there at 10 this morning. Hey, City. I can't show you the station. Hey, hi, Warren. Crab. Oh, work was okay today. I didn't get super amounts done, but it was not upsetting. It's a good thing, if that's all you can say. Work was not upsetting. Here, let's go to the next one. Hey, Asina. Oh, William, absolutely. Especially when you're having 11 and a half hour days. But, hi, Peace. I might go home and bake. I owe somebody a soda bread, so it doesn't take that long. It's just the idea of it takes longer. Anybody still there? Hello, New York. Hi, Jerry. Oh, Hassam, I'm here. How are you? Abdul. We're hopping cars. I'm good, thanks. Crab, hi. Sorry you got knocked out. Hassan, how can you miss me? I'm there every day. Bad connection. Yeah, the subway's always pretty bad connection. They say there's Wi-Fi, but there's not really. Oh. Let's get up against a wall. This is just a short scope because it's too late and I'm too tired to walk. People shouldn't get cut out. Because I'm going to walk the rest of the way home. Mostly because I've been inside for the last 10 hours, 12 hours. I didn't go out at lunch. I actually didn't eat anything till 7:30 at night. Bye, train. Thank you. Sorry for everybody getting cut out. I should learn my lesson and not try to scope on the subway. Because people get cut out and it's very frustrating, I know. I apologize. But I do like to show you guys other things. Be careful. I'm just walking up the stairs. But thank you for your concern. Ow. Stairs are not good for my legs. Hey, Alex. How are you? Hi. It's okay. Just walked up a lot of stairs. I tried to show the subway, but it cut out a lot. I don't know how much of that scope is going to remain. I did one last night too on the subway, but I didn't double check it. So from now on, I probably won't do subway scopes. Okay. Now, yeah, and I have super bad knees. The more you watch my scopes, the more you realize every once in a while I can barely walk. Hey, Hassan.
Is it around here?
Basically because my knees are problematic. But this is Houston Street at night. This is the same way I usually come in the morning. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't have an Instagram. I can barely manage Periscope, which luckily adds every scope to my Twitter feed. Otherwise, there'd be nothing on my Twitter. Oh, I don't have it. I don't have it. Can tell you never have the cam on you. Here, there's me. Hi. I do show myself right at the end of the scope. But because I'm trying to show New York City, the scopes are really about New York, not about me. Like this super cool little store, for example. It just has random things. Bonsoir Till. Oh, super. Je veux te faire voir ton mur. I'm going to show you your wall. I saw your article. Now I know why I hated all his art. Walk after work. Yeah, I just got off. Yeah, we're about to see the wall. It got even more painted over. Apparently the artist was admitted to sexually assaulting a masseuse and never got in trouble for it. So somebody when he did this billboard, this wall, somebody wrote rapist on it, and then the big black letters. That's another very famous tagger. Who's there? Hey, son. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Half the time.
But look, you can see it there, Till. We're about to see it. Hey, Sam, I do not have Instagram. I don't have it. I'm so sorry. All I have is Periscope and Twitter. The poor wall. I hated that whole thing from the beginning. If you look at when they first put it up, I was like, what is this? It's just a big mess. There didn't seem to be any overarching image or theme. Why don't I have Instagram? It's too much, Hassan. I only have time for Periscope, really. And I only have time for going back and forth to work. Like, I'll never do scopes at home or at work. Hey, Muftu. All right, look at the wall. I'm going to show you from a distance, and then we'll cross the street. I know. Look, they painted all across the bottom of it. The next one is going to be better, because this one, I don't think it could have been worse. And look, everybody really hated it. Hi, Crab. It was good. It wasn't bad like yesterday. Actually, yesterday was Wednesday. Tuesdays are hard. Wednesdays are hard because I'm trying to recover from Tuesdays. And then the rest of the week is generally not too bad. Oh my gosh, your costume is going to win again. You know that. You will become a free wall to paint on. Hey, Paul. Okay, look at the wall. Everybody's going gangbusters on it now, too. Because after that article came out, look, see the white lettering? White rapist. See? R-A-P-I-S-T. Oh. Yeah, everybody hated this wall completely. Hey, Muftu. Oh, really, Alex? I don't know. The weather comes and goes. But even before everybody messed this wall up, I thought it was awful. Oh, good. Thank you, Hassan. Oh, I better not go into traffic. I'm focused on the wall. This morning I almost walked into traffic too. But even before they messed it up, the whole thing was a mess to my mind. He had all these weird different figures that are sort of like superheroes, but nothing connecting. It seemed like 5 different artists made it, and it just wasn't pretty. I didn't like it at all to begin with. So now that I know the guy was gross. Yeah, everybody's messing it up now. New Yorkers are not very forgiving. They're like, don't paint this. You don't get a venue in our town if you're a jerk like that. That's basically what this says. The first one who messed it up was the BLM, the big black lettering. There's that little video of him doing it too. It's fantastic. So this is the end of this. They're gonna have to repaint it and then put a new one. Oh, Till, I thought you were watching all of that. I can't. I don't ink anything. I just comment. I painted it over. No. I could come over here and I'll write here. Right here. Jane was here. It seems like everybody's writing on it now, so why not, right? But I was saying to you, Till, I was saying that New Yorkers are not very forgiving. Like, they're basically like, this guy doesn't get a venue in our town. I'm very good. I don't know, I try. Doesn't everybody try to be good? Even people who are doing bad things, I think they think they're good, right? Maybe some people know they're not good and don't think they have any other way to be. I would have written on it, there would be a piece of you. Oh, look, here's somebody who wrote love on the ground. Love. It's hard to see it. But this is a great store. It's called Old Good Things. And it's filled with old good things. If you need like hardware for a cabinet drawer, they have boxes and boxes of that stuff back there. They have a downstairs with all sorts of look at the chandeliers. It's a great store to wander around in. Spring sale. Ooh. 10 to 30% off. Hi. This is Saint, which I've gone to for drinks. I've never eaten there. And this is Bowery Poetry. See what it means. I know, it took so long to get a new one, and then they got a new one and they wrecked it immediately. So here's Bowery Poetry. People go in the back and they perform. Sounds like there's a band there today. And there's the Bowery Bar. You're gonna try to come Halloween? Oh, good. Hi, I'm not going in. I just want to show people. This is Bowery Bar. Besides, I like to be your grandmother. And then this is a pop-up shop. It's always a little different. It's just usually here for a few months at a time. I thought you won last time. You're gonna win for real. This is an eyeglasses store. The pop-in, pop-up, pop-in. Wow, look at that place. Oh, he won. Oh, okay. But didn't you guys get to share? I still liked your costume. I thought you guys shared it. These trendy people, they're having a store. This store changes every couple of months. And they're selling eyeglasses in there. No, it's eyeglasses. Oh, I'm going to run out of room to cross the street. So, hey Leon, I'm actually going to sign out. Here's me, everybody. Let me get that off. Hi. So have a great night, everyone. Thank you for joining. Thanks for the hearts. And after my long days at work, it's nice to check in and say hi to everybody. Now I go home. I'm gonna make some bread. Didn't know it have to be so trendy to sell eyeglasses. I think they have to be if it's just a pop-up shop, only there for a month or two. I don't know what kind of rent they have to pay for that, but it's probably a lot. Good night. Bonsoir. Passez une bonne nuit. Good night, Hassam. So I hope to see you all in the morning. I'm due at work at 8:30, so I have a few hours. I'm going to bake a loaf of bread, and I hope to see you all in the morning. I'm going to end it on the Empire State Building, all lit up there. It's far away, but still good. Good night, everybody. Good night, Hassam. Ciao, au revoir. Merci tout le monde. À bientôt. See you soon.